Soft focus minimalist workspace with natural sunlight, slow pan across a clean desk, mindset and minimalism for financial freedom. 2025, in a world obsessed with more stuff, more noise, more hustle, there's a quiet path to financial freedom that starts by doing less. Calm, ambient background track the problem. Fast cut clips of a cluttered desk, overflowing bills, and someone stressed out. Financial clutter equals mental chaos. Most people chase financial freedom by increasing income, but real freedom begins when we master how we think and what we keep. The mindset shift. Person journaling goals, switching off notifications, reading a money mindset book. Shift from consumer to creator. Shift your mindset from spender to investor. Ask yourself, does this decision move me closer to freedom, or feed a fleeting desire? Minimalism in action. 120 to 150. Decluttering closet, deleting unused apps, simple meal prep. Minimalism equals intentional wealth. Minimalism is about living with purpose. Keep what adds value. Eliminate what drains you. Practical steps. Digital calendar showing no spend challenge, canceling subscriptions, budgeting app, and a calm evening walk. Start small. Stay consistent. Try a no spend challenge. Cancel excess subscriptions. Invest in assets, not impulse buys. Outro and call to action. 2:30 to 3 o'clock. Person smiling, checking off goals. Peaceful space with plants. Subscribe, like, simplify your path to wealth. Financial freedom isn't found in a paycheck, it's built through your daily choices. Subscribe for more on clarity, mindset, and wealth.